Hi, this is Jeannie at Trendy Tree, and today I'm going to show you, I'm going to take a Steelpix machine right out of the box. This is a brand new one. Now, we don't sell the Steelpix on Trendy Tree. This one came from Hobby Lobby. We've tried to communicate with the manufacturer to try to offer it to you, but not been able to so far. But anyway, Hobby Lobby has them, and they're like $199, which is pretty expensive, but they always have that 40% off of one item, so take your 40% coupon and get your 40% off $199. So this is brand new, and I just wanted to open one and take it right out of the box so you could see what they look like. They're really heavy. And let's see. The picks are separate. You have to buy those separate. I didn't check the price on those. And let me just get it out of the box. And you can use this to put sharp steel ends on your floral pieces that you need to put into styrofoam. So that's what it looks like. It's very heavy. I don't know, it weighs 10 or 15 pounds. And it has instructions, and it has this little weight that you drop down in there. And your Steelpix, we've already have them loaded in the machine. They're loaded where they're pointed up in a V. And let me show you what one looks like. I can open the box. They're in little packs with a piece of tape around them, or a piece of cellophane, and you just drop them down in there and then take the cellophane off. They're very sharp. So you drop them down in there and then drop the weight. And then, can you see that okay? You take your bush, and I'm just going to go ahead. We do have the cutters on Trendy Tree. This is a stem cutter, and you just cut. Makes it very easy to cut. I'm going to go ahead and cut a few more pieces off of this. This is the best way to cut these bushes. Okay, so now you've got a piece like this, and it's, you know, to stick it in the styrofoam, it's a little too soft, so you pull this handle down and load the pick, and then lay your stem in there and then press down. Okay, and I didn't do that one good. You can see how that's, I didn't get my stem in there good. So you just raise the handle up to load your pick, and then lay your stem down on top of the pick and then push the handle down. Okay, pull it out, and then your stem has this sharp end on it, and you can dip that down in your hot glue to go in the styrofoam. So here's another one. So you just raise the handle up to load the pick, lay down your stem, press down, and then it puts the pick right on the end of it. Let me cut a few more. The Easy Cutter makes it, you know, so much easier than trying to cut with heavy-duty wire cutters, and we have those, but you can do this so much easier with the Easy Cutter. Now, we do have that on the website if we haven't sold out. We got some in like in the last week or so, but they sell out pretty quick. So, okay, so I'm going to bring my camera in a little bit closer so you can see that close up. Okay, so you bring the handle forward to load the pick, and then lay the stem down right on top of the pick, and then press down. Pull that out, and it loads that sharp pick on it. Now, if you're having trouble with loading the picks, or it doesn't, you know, there are adjustments you can make by you know, turning these little screws, but pretty much you can just take it right out of the box and not have to do anything. It's really pretty easy. You don't have to press down real hard. And there's the easy cutter close up. Turn it around. You know, if you have a work area that you use all the time, you can bolt this down. Of course, we don't have that, so we just have to get ours out when we need to use it. But you can, it just makes cutting so much easier. I mean, it just doesn't take, you know, any pressure hardly at all. Okay. Let's see, I've got another one that I can cut. So then you can go back and cut them again, you know, cut off the pieces that you want. Separate your bush into several different pieces. Okay. And that's the easy cutter. Okay? Thanks for watching.